Here's your guide to understand what are the different types of vaginal discharge, what is normal and what is not. Now coming to normal discharge, 2 days after the periods you're almost dry. Then you will notice some clumps of yellowish or whitish fluid. पैंटी में आपका पैंटी में ऐसा lump जैसा कुछ discharge दिखेगा. Then it becomes a little watery or runny. Ovulation के टाइम पे ये egg white जैसा stretchy या transparent हो जाता है. Typically ये 11th to 15th day तक चल सकता है. After that, the discharge again becomes thicker and a little translucent till you get your next periods. Now let me tell you what the different colors of vaginal discharge means to you. 1. Bloody discharge. Sometimes you might feel that the discharge has become a little bloody or a little spots of blood with the white discharge that's happening about a few days before the periods or a few days after your periods. That is normal. 2. Dark brown or blackish discharge. Now this is also normal if you see just about 2 days before your periods or a few days after your periods, or if you see them around the time of ovulation. This should not last for more than 48 hours. अगर 48 hours से ज़्यादा ऐसा blackish या brownish discharge होता है तो that can indicate a lining abnormality like a polyp or a fibroid. 3. Thick, white, curdy discharge. Now, this is usually associated with a lot of itching inside and outside the vagina. बहुत amounts में होता है ये discharge, and usually, as I said, it is associated with itching as well as uncomfortable sex. Now, this is a very prominent symptom or prominent indication of a fungal infection. 4. Yellowish thick discharge in large amounts. Now this is usually an indication of a raw area or an ulceration in the mouth of the womb. पूरा महीने में ऐसा discharge रह सकता है, and this is usually non-smelly or non-itchy. 5. Greenish yellow discharge. Now this can be an indication of a sexually transmitted infection, especially something called a trichomoniasis. So if you are not sure of the sexual history of your partner, then please get yourself tested if you're having a greenish yellow discharge. Now please remember, the vagina is supposed to be wet with discharge, and that is how it cleans itself. Please do not wash it often with water and keep it dry as far as possible.